So, today we're diving into a new AI tool that feels less like a piece of software and honestly more like a magic wand for video. We're talking about something that lets you literally edit reality with just a few words. And yeah, you heard that right. This isn't some far off futuristic tool for a big Hollywood VFX studio. We're talking about something that puts that kind of mind bending power right at your fingertips. So, what is this magic wand? Well, it's called Kling-01. And it's what's known as a unified model for video creation, which is a fancy way of saying it's aiming to completely change the game for creators everywhere. So, what does unified model really mean, though? It means you can throw text, images, and even existing video clips all into a single prompt, and Kling-01 just gets it. It understands how to weave all of those different things together to either generate a new video or edit an existing one. It's like having a super talented artist in a box. Okay, let's get into what this thing can actually do. And its first really powerful feature is creating these effortless transformations. I mean, imagine you need to show some kind of evolution, a change from one thing to another, but you have absolutely zero animation skills. Right? This is a classic problem for anyone in marketing. You've got your old logo, you've got your new one, and you need a really slick, eye-catching video to announce that change. Normally, that would mean hiring animators and waiting a whole lot of time. Well, with Kling-01, you just upload the two images and then you describe the transition you want. And the prompt can be incredibly descriptive. We're talking holograms, digital noise, neon light trails, you name it. You just type in the magic words and poof, the animation just springs to life. And this isn't just for logos. Imagine showing an old phone literally disassembling itself and then reforming into the latest model, or a concept car seamlessly breaking down into all its component parts. The potential here for product videos and just visual storytelling in general it's just massive. Now, transformations are really cool, but this next feature, this is where Kling-01 feels like a total game changer, especially for anyone creating stories. It's called Elements, and it solves one of the biggest headaches in AI video right now, character consistency. Just think of an element as your own personal digital actor. You can create a model of a person. It could be you, it could be a character you've designed, and then you can save it to be used over and over and over again in any scene you can dream up. And the process to create one is incredibly simple. You upload one front-facing photo, maybe add a few from the side so the AI understands the 3D structure of the face, give your character a name, and that's it. Your digital actor is ready for their close-up. And this is where the power gets just wild. You can place your element into stock footage, making it look like you were filmed on a Tokyo subway. You can have them hold and promote a product, or, and this is a great example, you could generate a video of, say, a pink Superman, then use your element to swap your face onto that character while keeping the costume. It's really like having your own personal movie studio. So you've got your characters, you've got your scenes. Now Kling-01 basically hands you the director's chair, letting you edit your entire video with nothing more than simple text commands. Okay, here's another common nightmare for video editors. You have the perfect shot, but there's an unwanted object in the frame. A boat, a sign, whatever. Removing it usually means hours and hours of painstaking work. With Kling-01, you just type what you want. In this case, remove the ship. That's it. You don't have to draw a box around it, no tracing and outline. You just tell the AI what to get rid of. And here's the crucial part. The AI does all the heavy lifting for you. It understands the context of the video and intelligently fills in the background where the ship used to be, frame by frame. I mean, this single feature could save editors countless hours of tedious work. And it doesn't stop there. You can change camera angles on existing footage, turning a ground-level shot into a drone shot. You can completely alter the environment, like adding a massive tsunami to a calm ocean. You can even change the whole art style to look like your favorite anime, just by feeding it one single reference image. You are in complete control. Of course, we can't talk about AI video without addressing the elephant in the room, OpenAI's Sora. So how does this new challenger, Kling-01, really stack up against the current heavyweight champion? Well, I think the best way to think about it is a difference in philosophy. You see, Sora 2 is really positioned as the ultimate generator. You give it a complex prompt, and it creates a beautiful cinematic video from scratch. Kling-01, on the other hand, is the ultimate editor. It's all about transforming, modifying, and controlling the video you already have. So let's break down the key differences here. As you can see, Kling's superpower is editing existing video, which is a total non-starter for Sora 2 right now. Sora 2 hits back with native audio and longer clip lengths. Character consistency is strong on both, but Kling's Elements system is arguably more flexible. But maybe the biggest difference of all? Availability. Kling is global right now. Sora 2 is still invite-only in the US.
And that brings us to the bottom line, the price. To get access to Sora 2, you need a ChatGPT Pro subscription, which runs around $200 a month. Kling O1's Pro plan, just $26. That makes it almost 8 times cheaper. That is a huge deal for putting these powerful tools in the hands of way more creators.
So after seeing all of this, what does it actually mean for you, the creator? What are the big things to take away from all this? All right, let's boil it down. Number 1, Kling O1's superpower is being an editor. Modifying existing footage is its absolute killer feature. 2, Elements is a really simple but incredibly powerful solution for character consistency. 3, it is a trade-off. You lose native audio for now, but you gain this immense editing control. And 4, it's available and it's affordable, which, let's be honest, might be the most important factor of all right now. You know, this technology is moving at just an incredible pace, and it's democratizing tools that were once exclusive to massive studios. It really leaves us with a fascinating question. When anyone has the power to direct and edit reality with just a few words, what entirely new kinds of stories are we going to see? I, for one, can't wait to find out.